Hey guys, it's Dee, and today we're gonna build my very first PC. I have no idea how to do this. This is actually my very first time. With the help of some friends, they helped me choose some parts. The theme that I'm going for my PC is white. Alright, to start off, this is gonna be my CPU, which is AMD Ryzen 5 2600. I chose this motherboard from MSI, the Mortar B350M, because it's white. Yeah, that's it's white, it's cute. For the graphics card, I chose the ASUS GeForce GTX 1060. I think that's enough for me because I'm going for that budget build. Oh yeah, let's go for the case. The case is from Tecware Nexus TG, the mid-tower ATX casing. And for the RAMs, I'm gonna use two 8-bit Kingston HyperX Fury. And for the power supply, I'm going to use for this one, I'm going to use Thermaltake Toughpower GX1 600 watts. This was recommended by my friend. So let's get started.
One eternity later.
I had some trouble with the CPU fan, so I called up my friend Aaron.
What's up, guys?
He has been building some PCs, so he's gonna help me with this. So we're about done. We're just doing the cable management and fixing the hard drive. And then we'll give it a test run.
Much later.
So there's a slight problem with the build because my motherboard is the B350M, which is an older motherboard, and I'm using a second gen Ryzen chipset. So I have to update the motherboard's BIOS first, and in order to do that, we have to use the first gen CPU. And it's a good thing that Aaron has a first gen Ryzen CPU. So we're gonna go to his house, take his PC, bring it here, and we'll use his CPU on this motherboard, and we'll update the BIOS, and then I think it should be fine. We're gonna have some pizza. turns out my hard drive is corrupted, so I gotta get a new one. But I have an extra hard drive which Aaron helped me reformat earlier this month, I think. It's 11:30 p.m. We started somewhere at 3 p.m. We're still not done. This is harder than I thought. So, you know, we're just gonna cook some pasta and have fun.
I'm gonna make mac and cheese. Nobody gonna stop me. Hey guys.
So it's, what time is it?
It's 1:20.
It's 1:20 a.m. We're finally done with the build. It's running perfectly fine. Oh yeah, we changed up the stock CPU cooler with another stock CPU cooler because Aaron had a, what was it? Ryzen 7?
Ryzen 7 first gen.
First gen, the 1700X.
Yeah.
So no, 1700?
Yeah, 1700.
So his cooler has lights on it and mine doesn't.
And it's a bit bigger as well.
And it's bigger, so yeah, we changed that. Thanks Aaron, baik though.
The cooler.
Yeah, so I pasted some LED lights and it's cute. Yeah, so yeah, what do you think about my build? Drop down some comments down below and give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I don't know, man. We're tired. We're tired, but I think it's worth it. Is it, guys? Bye. See you guys next time.